It's YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course. Introduction to TR47 Keyway, Lesson 5, All Keys Lost Part 1. Where's the key code?
So what do you do if you take an all keys lost Toyota job? Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. The first thing is not to use the lead sheet. It's to find the key code. And in this video, I'm going to show you where to find it and how to use that key code to make a key. Let's get to it. So where do you find the key code? Well, on Toyotas, the key code will often be found on the passenger side door lock. But if there is no passenger side door lock, it will be found on the driver's side door lock. Most 8-cut Toyotas have both the passenger and driver's side Toyota, right? And most 8-cuts, you will have to get to the passenger side door lock, you will have to remove door panels and stuff. It's not going to be, there's some labor to it, but it's not hard labor once you practice it a couple times. Here's the passenger side door lock, and here, for an 8-cut Toyota, 14477. This is for 8-cut Toyota. As you can see, that is a valid key code, as we talked about in a previous lesson. It could be anywhere from 10,000 to 15,000 is a code series, so that it's between there. So this is a valid key code. And now for a 10-cut Toyota, if it looks like this, you can often remove the screw and take it out, but it can be in the driver's side as well if there's no door lock on the passenger side. So that's where you find the key code.
Tools you're going to see me use to pull the door lock in the demonstration. One flathead. I like to use this along with the T30, or you can have a whole T30 screw, but that seems like a waste of space to me, for me at least. So first thing we do is remove this cap from here, the rubber cap. Now with the T30 screw, I'm going to insert it, go to the left, all the way. There we go. And be careful, it could fall in, but if you fidget too much, but it usually won't. And pry it with the flathead. Sometimes it's been stuck there for a minute, so sometimes you need to force it a bit. Perfect. And there's a key code above. 59167. That's a viable key code for this code series for a 10-cut Toyota.
So now, how do we use those key codes? Well, I'll show you. I'm going to use the dolphin. I have an 8-cut passenger door lock. So there we go. In the 4 position. Okay.
Got the key, here's the door lock. Yeah, it's turning. It's not turning as smooth as I would like it to be, but I don't know. I'm assuming the dolphin needs to be calibrated or something. It's not cutting, or I didn't have it aligned perfectly. But, for the most part, it's cutting pretty good. So, I mean, it works pretty good. So, just remember to place it carefully.
Now we're going to do an all keys lost for a 10-cut Toyota. It's going to be the one we pulled earlier, where you saw me pull a key code. Oops. 5, 9, 1, TR47. Perfect. There we go. Just set it up real quick. Let's test the key out.
Well, guys, I hope you guys learned where to find the key code, how to input into your Dolphin or any other key originator. And yeah, anyway, guys, if you guys can comment, like, subscribe, and hit the hype button, Beginner Locksmith signing off.